COD, that is chemical oxidant demand analysis in wastewater and septage. We can analyze COD with two methods, open reflex method and closed reflex method. Closed reflex method further differentiate into two different techniques. First is titrimetric method, another is colorimetric method. Here we are going to demonstrate colorimetric process of closed reflex method. This method based on Merck kit confirms as per method EPA 410.4 and APHA 5220D. So Merck kit is available with having three different ranges of COD analysis. First range is starting from 10 mg per liter to 150 mg per liter. Second range is 100 mg per liter to 1500 mg per liter, and higher range is 500 to 10,000 mg per liter. All three sets of analysis having separate regions for mid-range, lower range and higher range. For lower range, take 0.3 ml of reagent A. Reagent A containing mercuric sulfate. Mercuric sulfate using in the analysis of COD for removal of chloride interference mainly. Secondly, now add 2 to 3 ml of solution B. Again, solution B here containing sulfuric acid and potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. For solution B, we are having difference volume of solution B based on range. For lower range, we have to add 2.85 ml of solution B, and for mid range, that 100 to 1500, add 2.3 ml of solution B, and for higher range, add 1.8 ml of solution B. Now homogenize the sample thoroughly and mix well. Now add again 3 ml of sample for each range based on your assumption. For low range, middle range and upper range, add 3 ml of sample based on your assumption. Like if inlet water is there, then you can assume that the assumptions of COD must be fall within that range. Like higher range, some 500 to 10,000 range. So we can take that, we can select the higher range. Tight the cap of COD vessel properly to avoid any loss during digestion. Mix the sample thoroughly in vortex mixer. After mixing the sample properly, then tight the cap properly again and digest the sample in digester in closed system at 148 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade for 2 hours. After completion of digestion at 148 degree centigrade for 2 hours, now cool the COD digestion vessel at room temperature. After that, based on range of the sample, select the method number in the Merck spectrophotometer. Here directly you will get the concentration of the sample present in that. For manual spectrophotometer, we have to take the absorbance at two different wavelengths. For low range, we have to take the absorbance at 420 nanometer, and for higher range of COD, we have to select the wavelength at 600 nanometer using a spectrophotometer. After that, directly you will get that concentration of the sample based on your absorbance.